Hello and welcome to Tech Learnist. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the theme and font settings of Chrome Devtools. This technique will also work on Microsoft Edge. For this, we will require to download two Chrome extensions from the Chrome Web Store. Let's get started. Launch the Devtools by either right-clicking on any web page and select Inspect, or you can use the Ctrl-Shift-I on your keyboard. Before we download the extensions, there are some prerequisite settings. Go to the Settings menu, go to the Experiments tab, and you need to check the Allow Custom UI Themes checkbox. I also prefer to change the theme to dark for better readability, but this is not a mandatory step. In order to apply settings, you need to relaunch Devtools. Now let's download the extensions from the Chrome Web Store. The first extension is Material Theme. This extension not only helps you to change the font settings but also changes the theme of the Devtools. Enable the extension. You can choose any theme that you want. I'm choosing Material Darker and I'm choosing Arial, which is installed on my system by default. Now relaunch the Devtools. And there you see that the Arial font is applied along with the Material Dark theme. The second extension is Devtools Changer. Right-click on the extension. Now there are two options you can use with Devtools Font Changer. Either you can give the font which is installed on your machine, or you can point to a font online. I'm using the Google Fonts website in order to get the font online. Select the font you want. Select the style. Pick up the URL of the font. Go to Devtools Font Changer. Provide the URL. Click on Add. Change the font family to Roboto and click Save. Now again relaunch the Devtools. There you go. The font is changed to Roboto. If you like this video, click like, share and subscribe to my channel Tech Learnist